Good morning to all of you. Student, today we are going to study the numerical which is based on the vectors. On vectors chapter, we will study the numerical that how we can find out the angle between the two vectors. So let's see the numerical. Find the angle between the vectors A equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and vector B equal to minus 2i minus 2j minus 2k cap. So first we will understand that what is the meaning of this vector value. A equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So we know that I cap is a unit vector and unit vector value is 1 and it will provide the direction. So this I cap will provide the direction of the vector in x-axis and its value is 1. If nothing is written behind I, it means 1 is there. So its value is 1 and its direction is on x-axis. Now j cap, so its value is also called 1 and j cap means direction on y-axis and k cap means direction on z-axis and its value is 1. In the same way, vector b is equal to minus 2i. So what does it mean? It means that कि the value of this vector is minus 2i in x-axis, minus 2 value in y-axis, j cap means y-axis, and minus 2 value is on k cap means z-axis, means on z-axis the value of this vector is minus 2. So now we have to calculate the angle between this a vector and b vector. Now we will, how can we find out the angle? So let's see. First, we will write the formula related to the angle of the vector. The formula is cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector upon a vector mod dot b vector mod. So first of all, we have to find out a vector mod and b vector mod. So we can see this is a vector and these two lines will show that it is a vector mod. What is the meaning of a vector mod? A vector mod will tell the magnitude of this vector. We know that vector has two things. One is magnitude, means its value, and second thing is its direction. So if we write a vector like that, so it is called a mod, and this a mod will show only the magnitude, means only the value of a vector, not direction. Okay? So its formula is a vector mod equal to ax square plus ay square plus az square. So what is ax square? It is the value of a vector on x-axis. In the same way, we will see the all values. Now come to the value a equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So what is the value of I? Nothing is written over there. It means 1 is over there. So the value of I is 1. Okay. So in ax square, what we should write? 1 square. In the same way, what is behind j? That is 1. So the value of ay vector is also 1 square. In the same way, what is written over there? 1 means the value of k vector is also 1. So in place of az, we will write 1 square. So it will become under root 3. Now we will see the b vector mod. So b vector mod, same formula, under root bx square plus by square plus bz square. So what is the value? Bx square means value on x-axis. X-axis means I cap. Okay. So I cap value is minus 2. So in place of bx square, we will write minus 2 square. Bz square, by square means value on j-axis. So minus 2 its value. So in place of by, we will put minus 2 square. In the same way, bz square means value of k cap. K cap value is minus 2. So minus 2 square we have written over there. So what value will come? Under root 12 means 2 root 3. Now we will see that we have to find out a vector dot b vector. So we know that there are two vector product, scalar product and वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है. सो दिस स्केलर प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड डॉट प्रोडक्ट. सो ए वेक्टर डॉट बी वेक्टर should be written like that. This is the value of a vector, this is the value of b vector. Now we will see how we will multiply it. So we will see the property of this vector which we have studied earlier. These I vector, j vector and k vector, they all are unit vector. We know unit vector I cap will show direction on x-axis, j cap will show direction on y-axis, and k cap will show direction on z-axis. So what property we have studied earlier? I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, and k dot k is equal to 1. But if I multiply different base vector or different unit vector, so the value will be 0. Like that, I dot j vector is equal to 0, j dot k vector equal to 0, and k dot I vector equal to 0. So what does it means? If there are same unit vector I dot I or j dot j, so value will be 1. If there are different unit vector I dot j, j dot k, so the value will be 0. So this property we will use over there. Now we can see that I cap plus j cap plus k cap, it should be multiplied by this term. So this I should be multiplied by this one and this one. So if this I if multiplied by j, so I dot j, what value we will get? 0. If this I multiplied by k, so I dot k, that value will also be 0. So what we have understood, that no need to multiply this I to j and k. Only we have to multiply I to I, j to j, and k to k. So now we will see how we will multiply it. First of all, we will see this is 1i, this is minus 2i. So first of all, we have written minus sign. Now this is 1i, this is 2i. So 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Now I and I are getting multiplied, so its value will become 1. We know I dot I equal to 1. In the same way, j multiplied by j. So first of all, we will write minus sign over there. Now this 2 multiplied by this 1, so that is 2. Now this j will multiplied by this j, so value will be 1. Now we will see that k should be multiplied to minus 2k cap. So first of all, we will write minus sign over there. Now 2 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 2, and k multiplied by k, that is equal to 1. So after multiplication, the value will come minus 6. Now we will put that value in the formula cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector upon a vector mod dot b vector mod. So a vector dot b vector value is minus 6, and a mod value is root 3, b mod value is 2 root 3. We have put all the values, and we have got what value will come? Minus 1, and minus 1 is the value of cos 180. So basically our cos theta will come cos 180. So it means this cos and this cos will be cancelled. So theta equal to 180 degree. So what we have understood, the angle between a vector and b vector is 180 degree. Thank you.